Okay, everybody, we're out here on the farm. We have a good amount of work done. We have the purlins installed up top. We need to secure those purlins. I don't know how well you guys can see that up there, but they're missing some screws for those three, or actually two ends. The one in the middle's done. And this side that we're on had the lowest elevation, so we had to bring a bunch of soil from a pile on the other side of the farm. So this has the lowest depth, so we just brought a whole bunch of soil from that area over there. We had that pile sitting there for a little while, and the objective is just to build this side up to the point to where once I utilize the ladder and I go up top to finish that part area, it'd be a lot easier. But from the earlier video we had showed you guys, see 1, 2, 3, see how much there is a difference with that. We basically need to fill the soil up to maybe about right here. That's basically the elevation difference from this side all the way to over there. See, that's where we got all our dirt. Now you see on this side where the holes are all the way right here, and then there's like a huge gap on the other side. That's really the main reason why we need that soil over there. So earlier when we added everything in, it was a lot easier. So we got the purlins fixed. We have the baseboards and then the ribbon boards to go. And after that, we'll just need to add